Howdy YouTube. So today I want to show y'all a little bit about a project I've been working on. I didn't get a whole lot of film building it, but it's kind of one thing I just really want to get done. So basically what it is in my older crane back here, it didn't have power stand on it, so I want to add it. I've been cruising Soaplet Center online, a couple of places online for a cylinder, 48-inch hydraulic cylinder. Finally found one, so got it, and then I worked on making these mounts for it. I'll show you how I did it, and then we can go from there. Right. So it looks like a mess, but it's actually pretty clean for hydraulics. So this is cylinder. If you come in here, I'll show you. This is just half-inch plate, ordered piece of half-inch plate. It's not completely welded out down. It's I still got to reattach it. I want to make sure it was going to work. Everything, didn't have to move it. If I had to move it, I had to cut off a whole lot more. So yeah. So come back over here. This is a selector valve. 1, 2. This is not what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the same exact valve. Only thing is, it have a solenoid on it. So I'm going to wire that into my remote, so I can switch from the crane up top, or the extension, down to the hydraulic lift, the boom actuation. So yeah. So I'm borrowing this from a buddy of mine. He actually got the same exact one in electric. So all the mountings are the same and all the fittings are the same. It just doesn't. Just got a solenoid in here. So he doesn't get that. I'm getting that off of him so we can make that work. But basically, these two lines. I know this line is crappy. I ran out of lines. These are the old lines off the crane. But these hook into. These are the two come from the pump, which come in here, and these are my two. This is the top cylinder. This is the low cylinder. That's basically it. So all I did, tee it off. I'm gonna have on the remote. Oh, I'll show you all the remote in a second. But yeah, that's basically what I did. And coming down here, this is basically the. Now, like I said, all this, nothing's welded out completely. I just want to make sure it was going to work before I went through. I didn't have to cut it apart and move stuff before I welded it all the way out. But it worked so far, so I'll put a bead up here, put a bead there, put another bead there, put a couple more beads in there, just to make sure it's going to work. But that's basically all it is. Just this is some 3/8 angle, half-inch or 3/8 plate. This is a piece of half-inch plate that I cut out, put a hole in and stuff. Gotta put some spacers in it. A lot of odds and ends still gotta do, but I just wanted to make sure it's gonna work before I went through and did it. But yeah, so that's about it. I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do with the remote in a second. But yeah, there you go. Alright guys, so this is the remote right here. You see those 4 sections here. This is actually the extension one. Basically what I'm gonna do is I probably could wire this differently, but for now, all I'm gonna do is put a left and a right in here. Or a selector switch, and that's going to wire back to it's an 11 pin, so I can wire it into that. That's going to go back to that solenoid and select whether I want the up and down or the in and out, the extension of the crane. So that's what I'm going to do here. Just got to drill that out, put that in, and put 2 wires on there, but that's not going to be a big deal. So as you can see right now, we go boom up, boom goes up, and then we go switch it. We're gonna do it manually right now, but I come up here and just switch the selector switch up, and then as you can see, it's gonna. And then now I'll do boom up. Still got some air on the system, but it'll stand out. So basically, that's what it is. Yeah, that's basically all to it. But just wanted to get that. It's not that hard to do. I'm gonna get it all welded out. Once I get it finished up, I'll probably do another video just explaining everything a little bit better. But basically, this is what I haven't seen anybody do it, but I didn't think it was gonna be that difficult to do. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope it answered some questions for some people. And if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comment section below. And thank y'all for watching.